Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button and turn on notifications, y'all. So right now, I got some dinner tonight. I made some rice and I had some chicken that my mom made me. So, we're gonna try this out for y'all. I put the chicken inside the rice because it might taste good that way. So let's try this out. And also, I put some onions in there. Some other stuff in there to make it taste really good because I made this rice and this is actually my first time making this rice because I use YouTube to cook the rice because I didn't know how to make rice. Now I do. But it actually turned out pretty good and actually it tastes good. It's well done cooked. You can see the rice is very well done cooked. And let's try it. That's bussin'. That's good. It's actually pretty good. And let's now try some chicken with the rice. So we got a little bit of chicken inside. That's good. That's real good. Alright. Let's eat some more. Here we go. Let's try this. A little piece of bone in it, but it's good. Let's get some chicken. Nice and greasy. Whenever this sauce is, this butter. I think it's some spicy sauce. And it should be on one of her cooking videos that she be doing. But she needs to teach me so I can make it for y'all. Cause this is busting. But let's get some more of this rice. So how y'all been? How y'all been? I've been fine. I'm still kind of hurting a little bit, but not that much really. Not that much. It's just sometimes my stomach be hurting sometimes. But I haven't used the bathroom yet. My sister, she's still in the hospital. So, she was not feeling well, so. But, comment down below. Put some prayers for her. Put some prayers for me. And I hope we get better soon. This food is good. Maybe I can make this for y'all. I didn't mean to make the rice without showing y'all, but I was tired, so I'm tired. Because I just came home from school not that long ago. And plus, I got school tomorrow, and I gotta get up at 5 a.m. to get ready, to get in the shower, and then the bus comes at 6:30, or sometimes it comes a little bit later since I'm by myself, so, yeah. But I'm feeling a little bit better than I was when I was at the doctor's, so I'm telling my mother, that I should go to Go Ball since I'm feeling a little bit better. My stomach ain't hurting right now, so I think I should go to Go Ball. Because I have my team counting on me. And I hope I can go. And make sure you guys get me 50,000 likes if you like this video. And tell me if my food looking good. And you would like me doing more videos for y'all more often. I'm trying to do my videos as I can, but I've been hurting, so I'm trying to get it done now. So that's good. But this food is very good. I'm about to end the video soon, so I'm just gonna finish this and then end the video, because I'm gonna talk to y'all later on the day, maybe tomorrow. So yeah. So, and then I'm probably also gonna probably see my sister too. So see how she doing. So all right guys. So but I'm gonna see you tomorrow, and I hope you like this video. Give me 50,000 likes or 50,000K likes, or save this video, because if you like it, I will do more videos more often, and just give me a lot of views, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, yo.